This is your fill-in for Sunday. So theme and challenge. The theme is pets. I have a pet. He's a doggy. People are watching me. So my pet's name is Ziggy. Here he is. He's so precious. He'll be 4 the end of this month, so August 31st. Do I like my pet? Duh. I love him. I love him because he's so little. He's fluffy. He doesn't bark. Oh, he gets all the ladies. What I dislike is that I want to be with him forever. So now I'm gonna draw the day after me. So today is Sunday and tomorrow's Monday. I'll try my best. Okay, I'm done. Push box. Yeah. I'm tired. Oh, what am I drawing? It's really good. So go subscribe to this channel, xxsevensmilesxx. Also, you can look on that channel, which is right here. Yeah. So go subscribe to this channel, my channel, and back of my hair. That's cool. Bye!